everybody to Belle channel. Today, this episode that following from the episode 49 A type, and we are at the episode 49 B type. How the B type look like in the house? Again, we enter in the parking. There are two parking space, and here behind of me include the EV charger of the house and having the storage room at the parking from the front like that. So we will still walk around the house before we enter inside. Let's continue to see how it looks like. From this side, they have a space to be a garden on the side as well. And what we're gonna find out at the first moment, this one will be the laundry room. That is for outside the house. There is a space where we can walk through the garden. The backyard area here is also quite large space. That compared with the type A, this one is still big enough. Type A is the biggest size, and here is the smaller size than type A. So as you see, the green area, which is having view coming from the one bedroom there and connect with the pool of 4 by 8 meters swimming pool. I will walk through the garden because behind there is the outdoor shower. Right here will be the shower outdoor for the swimming pool. And there is a walkway step up to the house where the terrace is coming with the sunbed. This sunbed, we can move it outside on the sun that side. And here we are on the raining day. So you can see the space on the terrace is quite huge. And there is a dining area outdoor that is fit for the 6 people. You can see the dining table is come with a long table. It means the space on the terrace is very long as well. You will notice in each house they will have a ceiling fan included in all the terrace. And here we will access to the house from the living room door that is from the terrace. Let's go to see inside. The first thing I see when I enter in the house, in the living area, they are coming with the living room, dining, and the kitchen. Here, the dining area, the living room is come with the sofa that fit for around 3 to 4 people. The space between the TV and sofa is not so wide, but it's very comfortable for the sitting moment. And here, it's showing the armchair space. As you see how it looks like. As well, this house, they have the door that can access to the garden on the side. And behind the living room will be the dining area, which they set up for 4 people to show you right here with the circle desk. And it comes with the counter bar where you could have your breakfast at this location, which you see on this side. They have decoration cupboard in the area of the kitchen. And here the kitchen, they come with very nice color and a lot of space. I think this one is the dishwasher. Yes. Here is the sink and the cupboard. As well, in this house, the cupboard is go high up to the ceiling. And right here is the stove and hose with the shelf like that. As you see, the kitchen is not that wide, but it's all functional, complete in this kitchen. And with the island on this side, you have space to store a lot of channel right here. So you have enough space to store the dish and pot. We will continue looking to the private area, which I'm gonna show you how usually you enter in the house from the parking. You can use the entrance gate entering in the house, and you will see there is the cupboard right here to decorate. On my right will be the bedroom right here. And when you enter in the first bedroom here, the first thing I see that there is a door which you're able to access to the terrace easily here. As opposite of the door will be the room, which is like a walk-in closet that they come with the nice wardrobes high up to the ceiling with the store, and coming with the dressing table. And already I'm in the bathroom. In this bathroom, they have sink, toilet right here, and the shower is quite wide space. This is quite comfortable space, and have shelf to put the shampoo bottles, things like that. Let's continue to see the bed area. So now when we get out, will be the space for the bed. It's come with the cupboard for television as well, that is built-in included in this house. Here the bed is set up with the king size bed that able again to access to the garden beside the bedroom here. So this would be the master bedroom because it's able to access to terrace and the garden privately. And we will continue to see in another bedroom, which is other side of the house. From the master bedroom, now we are going to opposite sides. This house is coming with the L shape, and that direction will be 2 bedrooms together. The area here is protected with the wall that is keep it very privately. Here, first thing we see when we enter in the area will be the bathroom. This bathroom will be shared for the 2 bedrooms, and the guests as well is coming separate. The bathroom is look like in the master bedroom, exactly the same layout. So we can continue to see the next door. What I see here is the bedroom without bathroom included. So it's showing the bed is coming with the 4 feet or queen size. This is not a king size for sure, but I'm not sure it's 4 feet or queen size. And there is also the windows that you can look through the garden. And this unit is just opposite from the jurisdiction. So here you have the counter for television, and on another side there is the dressing table with the wardrobe beside there. Here, the wardrobe is have a space up to the ceiling again. Let's continue the next room. After the second bedroom, this second bedroom is shared bathroom with the guest. But when we enter in the third bedroom, this is the space. As you see, it comes with the queen size. And there is a door where you can access to the terrace, garden, and swimming pool right there. So, in this room, the third bedroom, they have also a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, which is right here. In this walk-in closet, there is the cupboard that is double together and the dressing table. In this bathroom, they have different layout of the function. First will be the counter and the sink is quite wide, and the shower is come right here, separate the wet and dry area with the tempered glass. So we see all As we have seen entire house and the garden, do you know this plot is having land size of 624 square meters and the usable area is 224 square meter as well. In this house, entire video you may have seen that we have the 3 bedroom and 3 bathroom. Whatever you see in this video is all include have EV charger, a curtain, fully furnished, lane gutter, and as well the garden decoration. Everything that you see is all included. For the price of this villa, it comes with the offer of 13 million baht. All of this you can get with the 5 baht per square meters for the common fee. If you're interested in this villa and you would like to get more information, you can contact to me via the email below or in WhatsApp by 086 424 5951. Can call me anytime and we can get in touch. See you in another video. Bye!